Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I just haven't really had time to film, I've had time to film and then not time to edit, and then my internet really sucks to upload, so I can really only upload if I go to my boyfriend's house. Well, he works during the week, I work most weekends, so it just kind of has been going where I have not been able to get this stuff done, but I just got my package from Ulta. I haven't even opened the box yet, so I'm just going to do a haul of what I got from Ulta. Alright, so in the box there is the bubble wrap stuff that, and then the list of stuff I got, which I'll just leave that there. Alright, so the first thing is all wrapped up in bubble wrap together, but this is 3 separate things. So we'll just open that first because it was on top. So the first product is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and this one is in Precious Petals. So it has the same sort of stamp that they all have. And this one's in golden. Did I say Precious Petals? I meant Golden Flower Crown. I have Precious Petals. And it's a light gold, because Precious Petals is, so like there's 2 shades, which are there's 2 light shades, Precious Petals, and then 2 more, I'm pretty sure there's 2 more darker shades. Precious Petal is a hair too dark for me, especially whenever I'm more pale. So when I put it on, sometimes you can see it. So that's why I got the lighter 2, because they were buy one get one 50% off. So this one's just a nice light gold. And then the other highlight I got is in Blossom Glow. It's another Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. Oh man, I hate trying to take these stickers off of packaging. So this one is in Blossom Glow. And that one's like a pinky sort of glow. So I will be doing a first impression on these products, so I might have to put one highlight on one side, one highlight on the other to test both of these out. But the last thing in the bubble wrap is this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in Rosé in the Air. Again, it has one of those stupid stickers. I would much rather makeup companies put that like saran wrap packaging on stuff than put these stickers on there. I hate these stickers. Okay. Alright, so, oh my goodness, there's one at the bottom too. Like the shrink wrap stuff, I'd rather have that because that is so much easier to get into than these stickers. Okay, now we should actually be able to get into there. So this is Rosé in the Air. The top 2 bigger pans are labeled as transitions, And then there are 2 shimmer shades, and the rest are all matte shades. So this shade here is a shimmer, and then this one here is a shimmer, but the rest of these are all mattes. And I'm really kind of excited because I like warm color schemes. If you haven't noticed, I generally do warm eyeshadow looks, but I'm excited to play with that. But when I do my first impressions, I might have to do a half and half, like one eye with this, one eye with the other eyeshadow palette I got. So speaking of that, we'll just go into that one. So the next eyeshadow palette I have is the Soph X the Soph X palette with Makeup Revolution. Now this one, okay, so if you're gonna do the shrink wrap, I like the shrink wrap, but I don't at the same time. I like it in the sense that once you get it off, you don't have to, there's no residue from it or anything. But it's trying to, when packages have they're very tightly shrink wrapped, and then you can't get a hold of it. Finally, now we can open the box. Okay. So I like this nude packaging. I really like the packaging on this. So let's open it up. And there is a sheet that tells you all of the colors, and it does have a very large mirror. I really like the color scheme on this because it's a lot of warm tones, but there are some pops of color, and I feel like you can do really neutral looks with this, but then also some really fun looks. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 10 that are shimmer shades, 2 that have a little bit of glitter to them, and then the rest are matte shades. So I feel like you can do a lot with this. So I'm excited to play with this one too. Let's see. So the next thing I see is more stuff that's packaged together, and it's just wrapped in plastic wrap. Okay. So I've been trying to get into filling in my eyebrows, but I have a problem with eyebrow pencils are either weirdly gray for me, or they're too brown. So this one's a strawberry blonde one, and it has a red tone to it. And my eyebrows aren't super red, but it's a brownish red, so I'm kind of hoping that this will look really good. And it's Essence, so it was very affordable, so if it doesn't work, then it's not the end of the world. And then the other thing in that little bag is this. It is limited edition, but it's the Perfect Pout Lip Scrub. It's Wet n Wild. And it's in Pecker Up, because they did that whole bird collection. Okay. And it's just a strawberry lip scrub. I mean, I could smell the strawberry as soon as I opened it, but yeah, it's just a strawberry lip scrub. And I've been wanting to try lip scrubs because my lips are always really, really dry. So I'm kind of hoping if I try things like that, maybe I can get them to where they're not so dry. And then the next thing in here is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Better Than Sex, but I've never tried that, so I don't know. But I needed a new mascara, and I've really been wanting to try the Better Than Sex. A lot of people say this is very similar, and I was going for the more affordable option because in total my order was like almost $90. So I went with the more affordable option, and then so I just want to try this out. And some people said they like this better, so we'll find out. Alright, I have 2 more things. So one is something that I've been wanting for a really, really long time. And it's a very, very popular YouTube thing, and it's the Tarte Shape Tape. Oh my god. This applicator is like bigger than my eye. Yeah, I've been wanting Tarte Shape Tape for a long, long time. And I got the shade Light, which should be really good for me, so. And then the last product is something that is another very popular YouTube product. And it is the MAC Fix Plus. And I know that like these together were very pricey, but I did buy this by myself. Like I worked and got a paycheck and paid for it myself, so it's not like someone's buying it for me. Like I bought it myself. And a lot of the stuff is stuff I've been wanting for a while, and I just had been waiting. So yeah. So that's it for my haul. I'm gonna go ahead and film my first impressions with it. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9 products to test out, which is really exciting. And then I did get my Ipsy bag, and there's a few products in there, so I'll probably try those out with this stuff. So if you want to see a first impressions, then stay tuned for my next video. Bye.